How to delete all comments on YouTube. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can delete all the comments from YouTube. Firstly, on your device, open App Store or Google Play Store. After that, go to the search bar on the top and search for the YouTube app. Now look for updates that may be available for YouTube. Now go back to your home page and open the YouTube app. In YouTube, make sure you are signed in to your account. From the very bottom panel, go to U tab. After that, tap on the setting gear icon at the top right corner. In your settings, you will see options like this. Click on Manage All History. Now a menu like this will pop up on your screen. In this menu, at the very top, go to Interaction sections. In Interaction, you will see Video Interaction section. Here tap on Comments and Replies. Now any comments that you have made on your own video or someone else's videos, it will appear right here. To delete these comments, simply tap on this cross icon. So by following this process, you will be able to delete comments on YouTube. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.